briefly discuss with nervous system. I have already said you group of cells is called as tissue. Group of cells is called as a tissue, and for example, the brain is a tissue. If example of a tissue is a brain, then what does it contains? Multiple cells. It contains multiple cells. So how many cells are there in the brain? It is a 10 to the power of 11 million cells. Million cells in human being. So each cell is called as neuron. Each cell is called as neuron. Now we'll come to the structure of a neuron with detailedly and with diagram. So I will draw a diagram for you here. The structure of neuron. So please carefully observe it and draw along with me. Come read along with me. This is neuron. This is neuron. This is nucleus. So these are branches. So I will write your parts for you. These are dendrites. And between it is called as, this is called cell body. The whole part is called as cell body. This whole part is called as cell body. And this red part is called as dendrites. And this is called as axon. As these are in the last part of nerve, these are called as nerve endings. Okay, and there is a next neuron here. It is communicating with this previous neuron like this. With the help of, these are dendrites of next neuron. And these are nerve endings of the previous neuron. This is neuron number 1. This is neuron number 2. This communication, and there is a gap between one neuron and next one neuron. See, I am writing one small concept. This is one neuron. And this is another neuron. There is a gap between one neuron and another neuron. This gap is called as synapse. And what happens in the synapse? Is what